Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your dataset is tidy. Headers in row 1, consistent types in each column, no stray totals. Once done, select the data range or just click inside it so Sheets knows the table bounds. Next, go to Insert and pick Pivot Table. Choose to place it on a new sheet for clarity or existing sheet for context. This first step creates the blank pivot canvas where you'll add rows, columns, values, and filters. Now add structure. Drag a categorical field into rows to group your entries, and you'll immediately see the list of items aggregated. You can sort to prioritize. Put numeric fields into values and switch the aggregation between sum, count, or average depending on the question you're answering. If you need cross-tab insights, add a field to columns to split values across a second dimension. Use filters to limit the dataset to a region, date range, or category. This narrows your analysis without altering the source. Finish by polishing. Change value display to show percentages, running totals, or apply custom number formats so your pivot reads correctly. If rows or recent entries don't appear, make sure the source range includes new data or reselect the range. Refreshing is manual in some cases. If aggregates look wrong, check for inconsistent data types or blank cells in numeric columns. Converting text numbers to true numbers usually fixes it. If stuck, revert the last change and reapply one setting at a time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.